Bro, my god. Oh my god, that was a big. So big, man. Oh my god, you really saw that? So big, look. See? Oh my god, every cars are going to struggle tomorrow. Oh my god, this is first time I'm seeing this much rain. For tomorrow and day after tomorrow, ooh, look at that car going. It's good. The drainage is going to be blocked because when it fills up. Oh my god. Oh, look at it. Look at every place. See, it's full of water. Look at that side. Bro, you can actually get free water. Oh my god. Tomorrow I'm not going to tuition. And my father is not going to work also. Oh my god. So big.